evening. Alright, today I heard about the new McDonald's spicy chicken McDeluxe. So apparently today I'm going to try this spicy chicken McDeluxe burger. It says that spicy, hot and kicking chicken, and this is what you call super spicy. So you know what? I'm going to try this and see if it is true to its words. Because you know what? Sometimes McDonald's, they like to cheat people with their false advertisement. So I'm going to try. Look at that. This is the package. Look at that. A lot of chilies. So I'm expecting this is going to be super spicy, because I'm a big spicy. I'm a sucker when it comes to spicy food. So I just got to try this, man. So this is how the burger is. Oh, look at that, man. Let me just put this out. Okay, man. So this baby, I bought this set with the fries and drink. So this set cost about, I think about 12 ringgit, 70 cents. So this is the patty, the bun, and this is the chicken. So I do not see any chili inside. So maybe I assume that the chili has to be somewhere inside the chicken. All right. So let me try this and see if it is really spicy. I assume it's either the chicken is spicy or the sauce. Let me see, is there any sauce? Yes, there's a sauce here. Maybe somewhere inside here is stashed some chili spices inside. So I'm going to try, man. Oh, it's quite heavy. Alright, here it is, man. Whoo! I do not sense any spiciness. Let me try one more time. Oh. Meh. Very disappointing. You know what? McDonald's, once again, they make another false advertisement. It's not even. It is very mildly spicy. It's like 10% spicy. That's it. That's about it. But the way they advertise it is though like it is super spicy. Yang terhangat. But this is not terhangat. This is. I'm not sure what is this, man. This is very disappointing. Oh, one more time. One more try. Ooh. Meh. Very disappointing. I do not recommend buying this crap. Not even spicy. It's just like an ordinary McChicken burger. Just 10% spiciness. That's about it. Very disappointing. You know what? I think I'm going to modify this so that I can show McDonald's that this is how spiciness is all about. Alright? So I've just cut myself a 2 bird's eye chili padi. So I'm going to stuff this right into here. You know what? Because I'm going to make this spicy. And also, spicy chili African heat. Oh, this is going to be super spicy. So I'm going to teach McDonald's how do you make a spicy burger. Alright, very sad that McDonald's do not know how to make a spicy burger. Alright, so what I just did is I just put a few of this spicy chili African heat all over the burger. Alright, so the next thing is I'm going to put I'm going to add in a jalapeno pepper relish. Oh man, so it's going to be one hell of a spiciness. So this is how McDonald's you should make a spicy burger. Oh man, ooh, look at that, man. Ooh. Oh, look at that. And the last one is I'm going to stash this this chili padi right into here. Oh, now this is what you call a spicy burger. Oh man. Oh. Right now. Now I'm going to try to take a mouthful of this. Alright. Oh. look at the chili, man. I'm gonna put this right into my mouth. Whew. I can sense the chili padi in my mouth. Oh man, spicy man. Oh. Oh man. Oh, another one, man. Look at that. Another round of chili. Whoo. Now this is what you call a super spicy burger. Okay, man. Oh man, I'm dying here, man. It's too spicy that I'm not able to stop eating. Oh. This is what you call spicy burger that makes people to continue eating. You will not get bored eating because it's very, very spicy. So McDonald's, learn how to make a spicy burger. Go back home and redo your promotional burger because this is not spicy. Your burger is not spicy. Now this is spicy. Alright, so that's all for today. This is very, very spicy. It's very, very spicy. But I'm enjoying this meal. Alright, that's all for today. If you buy a McDonald's burger, I suggest you modify the burger to make it spicy because it is very, very mildly spicy. Alright, that's all for today. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye.